Well, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor and hit the subscription button, and don't forget to like, share and comment. This video is a tour of the farm. Someone has asked me to do a tour, and guys, I'm busy, but I try my best to do what my subscribers ask for. So I went deep into the archive and found some videos of before the chickens came and while we're doing construction. I hope this is enough for you. Then I also took a quick video of present day of how the farm is looking a year and some month later. Okay, so this was in 2021 while it was under construction, and the subsequent videos will be 2022 after the chicks have been in there for over a year. Okay, I'm doing a wire mesh. This is how it looks. Okay. So basically, if you've watched the video about the cost analysis, you know that this pen, the wind direction, it was completely off, but that's not what this video is about. This is just to show you how it looks. So this video, this pen was divided into 3 sections. Okay, 3. See, this is 1, 2, 3. So right now we put all the white in the first pen and then brown ones in the other 2. And how that work is like we just have like a separation, right? And apparently that helps in case one room has some kind of an outbreak. You don't have to go in the other room and then, give the outbreak to the other chicks. So that was a good idea. And also each room has an entrance out to go out or to come in, and then within the middle we have doors that you can walk through from the storage all the way through to the last, which is good for feeding, right? You come from the storage, you go through the doors and you feed them, providing there's no outbreak, so you can go from room to room. But in case we're doing some kind of isolation, then of course we have to go through the front door and then get in there and feed the chicks. And this is the back view. That's the back of our chicken coop. These are the plantain I planted a year ago, and we've been enjoying it. As you can see, we've been eating it. That's our borehole. This is it. I recently bought a dish for my worker. That's the living quarter. Okay, I'll taste it later. That's our biofuel digester back here. It's been a while since I gave you a tour of the farm. That's the side view. They're offloading and I'm going to load egg. This is my camera room. This is my camera room. Storage. It's messy. We keep egg here. I'm here to pick up all this. So this is the entrance to the employee living quarter. I won't go in there for privacy. And this is another room we created for employees, but right now it's being used as storage / junk room.
Taste it. It's very
for my cat to hide. They're running away from me. Hi, Oreo. Hi, Oreo. Who's tugging on my skirt? Lila, is that you?
Yeah.
Hi, Oreo. Spicy. See, there's an egg there. A chicken went and laid over there. Come here. Oh no, it's a cracked egg. So that's storage. It's a bedroom. There's a window, so if I need more rooms.
Okay, show them what happens when
Feed storage. Door to the pen. You walk into the white pen. Here they are. They're being fed right now. This is also a door to the employee quarter. We never use it. It's messy. This is farm life. You can't avoid these, but we do try. We clean this every month. We cleaned a couple of weeks ago. Look. So that's pretty much. See my white chicks? They used to be so nice and white. Now they're filthy. So that's a door out from the white coop. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. See? How can they have not seen it? And a worker was in here feeding. He didn't see it. I wonder what happened. This is one thing about poultry. You just find them. Oh yeah. Yeah. She was pecked. She was definitely pecked by these naughty people. They have zero patience when they're hungry. Remember, this is the entrance from the first brown room to the outside, and this is for the second brown room. Oh yeah, when they're hungry, they do this. When they're starving, they see food coming, and they just can't wait. So that's it. This is the last room. That's an entrance. So each pen has an exit out. Or you can walk in between two to come. So they're all bunched up here because they're hungry. So that's it. They see food coming and they're fighting over it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the walkthrough of the farm. I hope you can hear my voice through this noise. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys. They have zero patience when they're hungry. Remember, they're all cooped up here because they saw the feed coming. Now look, they're fighting. It's dinner time. And the other ones are all behind the door too because they know the other ones are eating. Patience when they're hungry. Remember, they're all cooped up here because they saw the feed coming. Now look, they're fighting. It's dinner time. And the other ones are all behind the door too because they know the other ones are eating.